Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have some hauls for you guys. First I'm going to start with Dollar Tree. I have a little small haul. A lot of it I couldn't show because I got stuff for Happy Meals. So those are going to be private because I don't want to share and let people see what I'm getting at. So first I got this placemat, and I got this because I saw a hack on how to make a bag out of the placemat. So I want to give it a go, and so I got this really pretty one, and I'm going to give it a try, and then I'll share it with you once I've done it. So I got that. Then y'all guys know that I love pens, and I like unique ones, and I found this pinwheel one, and I've been playing with it, and it's a pink iridescent, and I love it. So I got that. Next, I found this, and it's either going in a Happy Meal or it's going to go into a giveaway. And I'm going to have a giveaway soon, and there should be the giveaway winner up before this video of the last giveaway. Then the infamous scarf finally showed up at my Dollar Tree, at one of them. So I grabbed it, and it's going to end up either in a Happy Meal or a giveaway. I haven't decided yet. So it is gorgeous. I love it. Y'all know I love bees. So yeah, it is so pretty. Then I found this Jute Twine. I found a package of 3 for $1. So I'm going to be sharing some in Happy Meal. Then I found this reindeer moss. So y'all know those globes I found, this cloches? I'm going to use that in these for my Christmas singing. So I thought that was a fun find. And then a friend of mine was looking for these, Leah, who is Bay Window. She has corgis, and she was looking for these, and I went to 3 different ones, Dollar Trees, and I found the last 2 at the third one I went to. So I grabbed her 2 of these. So I know she's excited. And then the last thing I found was these rub-ons. I loved them. They look like Tim Holtz. And so I grabbed me one of these. And that's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Well, not everything, because the rest of the stuff is for other people. Then I went on Amazon and I made some purchases, and one of them was this die right here. It's a double stitch, and I've been looking for one everywhere that actually does the double stitch and doesn't, you know, cut one of them off. So it looks like this. This is the large one, and it's a little bigger than an A2. But I love it. So it was $8.99 on Amazon. And here is what it says in case you're looking for it. If you need the link, just let me know. You get 5 dies. And I absolutely, like I said, I love it. So I'm happy. And then I got this from Amazon. It's called Tattered and Worn, and it's by the Paper Studio. Isn't that funny that it was on Amazon? But I didn't find it at Hobby Lobby, and I think this is beautiful. It's very vintage. I absolutely love it. I love the colors. I love the print. See that music? There's even a farm scene in here. You get 3 of each. Look at those florals. The colors are just so pretty. There's even a cheetah print. I wonder if I'll be able to find the barn one, because I want to show it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love that color. I love all of them. Isn't that pretty? Oops, did I pass it? think so. Trying not to pass it. But you get a ton of sheets in here. I'm probably gonna end up passing it. There it is. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? So there's a horse and a carriage, and then there's a barn right here, and then there's the writing. I think that is so pretty. But then you get all these other ones too, and I just love it. Anyways, I wanted to share that. Look at that floral one. Really past. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So much in here. I don't remember how much this was. It wasn't cheap. But there's that one. And that's all I got at Amazon. Well, I actually got one more thing, but I want to do a review on that. And then at Hobby Lobby, I got some check beads, glass beads in black, and they were half off. So I got them for $1.50. I had bought some before and I cannot find them anywhere. And then everything else I got on the clearance. I was looking for vellum the other day and I couldn't find it. I found it at this one. I found the last two, so I grabbed them for 99 cents. So you get 10. So I was pretty happy about that. Then I found this 12 by 12 pack of pink. You get 5 colors of each for $1.49. I was really happy about that one. And then I got the pastels. Again, $1.49. You get 25 sheets, 5 of each. I was super happy about this. I was looking for this, and I found it at this one. So I found the Gingham Gardens. It was $5.49. Let me show y'all. Oh, I was so happy. It is so pretty. So I have the 6x6, but it didn't have all of these patterns. And I love it. So very pretty. So excited to use it. I think it repeats. But isn't that pretty? It's a gorgeous paper pad. So I got that one. Then I found this one called Painted Petals, and it's by the Paper Studio, and again for $5.49 from $21.99. And I loved the colors of this. So pretty. You get 3 of each. Look how pretty those florals are. I love them. They look like watercolors. And I love tulips. It's my favorite flower. And that is it. And then I couldn't believe I found this. It was the last one. And it's Momenta Alcohol Ink. And it was $21.99 down to $5.49. And you get 3 of each, and there's 16 designs. And this is so pretty. So I don't have alcohol ink, so this is so cool to have. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that one's gorgeous. So is that one. They all are. There we go. And then the last one I picked up was, y'all know I love nautical, so it's called Beach House 2 by the Paper Studio. You get 180 sheets, 3 of each. And I'll go kind of fast with this one, because it's a lot. Oh, I can't grab it. And I had seen this one before, but I didn't want to pay the $21.99. Can I get it to go? And I love the colors in it. I can't get it to go. I like that there's texture in it, as well as the different boats, and see, like that texture. Stripes. Look at that, that's pretty. Texture again. I love that. Look at the lobsters, so cute. The whales, love that. And not all of this you have to use for nautical, like the wood, that blue, that. See, a lot of it's not even nautical if you don't want it to be. Love that. More texture, whales, maps, wood. I love that one. Love that. Love the seahorses. Love the lighthouse. Look at those octopus. So cool. So that's it, guys. I thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Talk to y'all again soon. Bye.